Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see how to search Gmail according to their size. Well, frankly, it's not a straight method that I'm going to say because it's not possible to find or according sort your Gmail messages according to your size. But there is a trick or there is a method how to at least find those biggest size or largest size messages that is there in your Gmail that is eating up your space of your Gmail. So let us see how to do that. Uh, you go to Gmail. For example, I have opened my Gmail. Well, frankly, my storage is full now, so I have to find out which are those files that are taking up most space in my Gmail. So here what you'll do, like there is something called search mail. Instead of going directly to the search mail, you can see there's something called arrow here, a drop down arrow mark. Just click that and you can see a lot of options would come up. So here you can see size. This row you can come, there is something called size, greater than. Here you can see less than, greater than, choose greater than. As you know that in Gmail at most you can send 25 MB of file size, or else it will directly go to your Google Drive. So there are no files which are more than 25 MB. So if I want to see those files which are more than 20 MB or which are 20 to 25 MB, of course I can just write here 20 and search. So once I do that, I can see there are something like 39 mail which are more than 20 MB or that ranges between 20 to 25 MB. So I can go there and mostly image files which takes a lot of space, of course. So you can go there and see individually what are those files. Similarly, you can see larger than, you can just edit it here itself, larger than 10 MB. So here, these are the files which are larger than 10 MB. So this is how you see. Here also you can see MB, KB and bytes, but these days mails are of course in MBs, megabytes. So there's no use of this bytes and KBs. So once again I tell you, just put your figures here. Once again I tell you here, I'll cross this, go to search, go to this drop down menu, and in size you can choose greater than, all it is chosen, and put your figure, that is 10 MB, 20 MB or whatever you want, like 23 MB if I want to be very specific, then search. So these are the files which are greater than 23 MB. So friends, I hope you knew how to search Gmail according to a specified file size greater than or lesser than that file size. So make use of this technique to see which are the biggest file or the largest file that are eating up your space in your Gmail, and if possible try to delete it, because my email has become full, as you can see here. So I am going to delete all those files which are not actually required but eating up a lot of space here. So friends, I hope this video was quite useful to you. If you found this video useful, please do like this. Of course, please share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this simple technique. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, Infotainment, please do so to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.